Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where OneDrive is not syncing and you wish to force your files to upload, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Here's what you have to do. First of all, search for OneDrive and then try opening it, because if OneDrive is closed, it won't work at all. Okay, then you'll find the symbol here. If it still doesn't sync, click on the symbol. Check if you have the green mark here. If not, click on this symbol here. Click on pause syncing and then select quit OneDrive. Select quit OneDrive. You won't find the symbol here anymore. Then search for OneDrive once again and then click on OneDrive. It will not sync immediately. It needs a while because of the speed of the internet, but eventually it will sync. Obviously, you need to be connected to the internet connection. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.